Hello class, and welcome to Advanced Corporate Income Tax, Accounting 435. What I wanted to do today is take a minute to go over Chapter 2, Problem 35 with you. Basically in Problem 35, you have Azure Company has $350,000 of net operating income before deducting any compensation or other payment to the sole owner, Sasha. In addition, Azar has interest on municipal bonds of $25,000. Sasha has significant income from other sources and is in the 39.6 marginal tax bracket. Based on the information, determine the income tax consequences to Azar Company and to Sasha during the year for each of the following independent situations. So we're going to take a minute to go over each of these. Okay, under A, we want to assume first that Azar is a C corporation and pays no dividends or salary to Sasha. If you'll notice, if we are a C corporation, our taxable income is $350,000. We still get the exclusion of the municipal bond interest of $25,000. To compute the tax of $119,000, if you look at Exhibit 2-1 in your book, and this is exhibits on page 2-5, you'll see that this is a schedule, and basically our computation is the $139,900, plus 34% times the difference between the 350 and the threshold for the new tax bracket of 335. Remember, we're in a progressive tax system, so because of that, the rates that we earn are lower for the lower income levels, and then they go higher. Okay, so the tax will be $119,000. Sasha received no dividends or salary from the corporation, thus she does not have to pay any taxes. It's all taxed at the corporation level, and this is when we are a C corporation. Okay, the next part says Azar is a C corporation and distributes $75,000 of dividends to Sasha. When we are a C corporation, as you'll see here in B, it's going to have the same income tax situation that we had above. In other words, we're still going to have the $119,000. However, Sasha receives dividends of $75,000. So she's going to be taxed on that. Currently, because she is in the highest tax bracket, her dividends are taxed at 20%, which gives her a tax on her dividends of $15,000. Okay, in Part C, it says Azar is a C corporation and pays $75,000 of salary to Sasha. Okay, because we are now a C corporation, we're paying $75,000. That is an operating expense to the C corporation. Thus, you'll notice I record the net operating income of $350,000. I subtract $75,000 in the salary to Sasha. That's deductible to the Azar Corp. It gives the Azar Corp taxable income of $275,000. If I go to Exhibit 2-1 on page 2-5 in your book, now you'll see that if I take $275,000, which is my threshold for the tax bracket that's at 39%, minus the $100,000, okay, and then multiply that times the 39%, and add that to $22,250. You'll see that in the tax rate schedule. I come up with a corporate tax of $90,500. Okay, so that would be the tax due to them. Okay. All right, in problem D, it says Azar is a sole proprietorship. Sasha withdraws 0. Okay. Here, there's no tax for the corporate level for Azar, since sole proprietorships are not taxed at the business level. It all passes through on a Schedule C to Sasha. Sasha's net operating income from Azar thus is $350,000 at the 39.6, because we're already saying she's reached her maximum level of income, so her tax is $138,600. Okay. For E, it says there is a sole proprietorship and she withdraws $75,000. We're going to get the same results in D. She's going to pay tax on the net operating income through her Schedule C, whether she withdraws funds from it or not. So there's just kind of a quick short rundown for you on some basic principles of the differences and how entities are taxed. Hope that helps, and good luck with your homework.